Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Puffverse token. Now the Puffverse token is very popular right now. It's trending all over the place. People are anticipating the TGE of this token here, the token generation event. It's being listed on a whole bunch of very big central exchanges. We're going to talk about the info on the Puffverse token. We're going to go over how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So ticker symbol is Pfvs. Puffverse, all one word, is the name of the token. And it was just announced that this token is going to be listed on a whole bunch of big central exchanges. But one of them, it's being listed here May 27th, which is the token generation event date. 12 o'clock UTC time, this token will be live on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Puffverse token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search the ticker symbol Pfvs, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So besides that, this token here has a web page that you could check out at, there it is right there, at Puffverse.pro. And then on there you can find all sorts of socials. I'm going to put their Twitter up right there in the corner of the screen. And then they also have a full document section type of white paper, docs.puffverse.pro, which is also linked on their webpage as well. Now, Puffverse is a Disney-like dreamland of the 3D metaverse that aims to connect virtuality in Web3 and reality in Web2, with more than just a fun party game and cloud gaming platform. Now it says here, you can download Puff Go, and it's like a casual royale party game, or you could download Puff Town to control your on-chain assets. There's also Puff NFTs that you could purchase. There's the Genesis Edition, Football Edition, New Year Edition, and Astronaut Edition. You can find all of these linked on their webpage and document section as well. They also, it looks like they have a couple audits actually. They have one by Certic, and Certic is one of the leading crypto auditors in the space. And then there's a newly added one from Salus Security. So you can check out both of those audits on their webpage. And also, it says here there is a total supply of 1 billion Pfvs tokens. This token is on the Ronin blockchain. You can find it listed at app.roninchain.com. And they also have a Telegram as well that you could follow at Puffverse Chat. And this is where you could talk to other community members, other people interested in getting the token. And they have 6,020 members. Almost 200 of them are online. So check that out if you want to discuss the project with others. And they have also a roadmap. So it says, please note that the roadmap only represents what we can predict at this point. So it's possible that we change priorities according to the market and feedback from the community. We will do everything to ensure the best possible experience for our users. So check out the roadmap in the document section if you like there as well. And besides that as well, they have on their Twitter a full link tree. You can check out 131,000 Twitter followers on the link tree. It says more than just a party game, MMO, RPG, cloud gaming platform, gold verified checkmark, 3,778 tweets. Very active on the socials here. So the roadmap actually started all the way back in 2022 with character settings, UI, UE, and icon design, development, social media building, Puff Go alpha version, Puff Sim, Puff Go football beta version. Then we have the test version, Puff Go launches, Puff Town app launches for support, world chat system, marketplace, in-game tokenomics circulation with USDT test, Puff Town mini tools, then optimization, then the friend system, email system, ranking system, team recruitment system, MPC wallet integration, top-up CPI test, Puff World 3D Verse, Puffland UGC, guidance system, commercialization, character selection, and then we have the migration to Ronin, fundraising round 1, initial game offering, which is still ongoing, it says, optimized metaverse 7 times larger, Puff Sim relaunch, Puff Go preseason, prepare for massive global marketing, prepare for Web 2 and Web 3 all platform marketing, optimized UGC, then we have the ambassador program, and then all these things coming up here are all new and haven't been checked off yet. So we have the initial gaming offering, and then the fundraising round 2, token launch, which is coming up right around the corner, Puff Go official seasons, competitive mode, decentralized ID, SocialFi, NFT asset customization, hardware in Pufftown, MMO, RPG, and more, AIGC cloud gaming platform. More about the platform to be announced after that. Now there's a full media kit that will be updated on their document section that you could check out as well. And it says they did a burn, which is finished. And so it says this event has been finished. And they talked about how to burn Puff NFTs on the Binance Smart Chain. Now they have the full Puff story that you could check out if you want to learn the whole background about this game and about the project as well. So check that out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this new Puffverse token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.